sure this is gonna work? Fucking, I heard Julio goes here. If I go here too, maybe I can finally get that fucking black bag I need, Thanks for helping me out, pushing the whole process along and things like that, Dad. I appreciate it, Usually, I think you're just a fucking shitty pig, But you're cool now. I fuck with you. Son, that's very heartwarming for our father to hear. It's very heartwarming. It's a beautiful thing. All right. Oh, there he is. Excuse me, Mr. Smith. How you doing? Hey.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
How can I help you?
Hey, I heard you are the basketball coach here at Staten Island Community College.
Yeah, that's right. You see me. You see me. I'm usually walking around with a bag of balls.
Yeah. Get the joke. You're a ball bag.
I'm a ball bag.
Hey, I'm on.
Hey, how can I help you, though?
So, here's the thing. My son here.
Mike Anthony. Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey,
what's up? Fuck, my guts hurt.
Nice of you to finally come to the gym, Mike Anthony.
My guts. Fuck.
Last time I saw you, you were getting right behind the bleachers.
Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to get right now. I'm trying to get right now. So tell him. So here's the deal.
Okay.
I'm put all the cards on the table for you.
All right. I'm listening, man.
Check it out. Michael has to go here. All right? Whatever it costs, if you know what I mean. Whatever it takes.
You want to enroll him here?
Yeah, I want to fast track him. Get him in there quick,
Okay.
How can
if you go on the website, there's an online application and you fill out the process.
But that costs a lot of money and, costs money to do things. So, how about I just give you something, a couple fuzzles, make this thing happen here.
This is a Clooney school. It's free.
I mean, yeah, but I hear what you're saying.
Yeah.
But I throw you a couple fuzzles under the table,
By fuzzles, do you mean the FAFSA form? Because I have those, and you can get government assistance, and that will give you money to enroll him in here.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, but he's a really good basketball player.
No, he's terrible. I've never seen him ever.
What do you mean? He's the next fucking Dante DiVincenzo.
Sir,
this guy's good,
sir.
Yeah, come on, man. You see me shoot up. You see me shoot up. Come on, give me a break.
That's
pal.
the wrong time for shooting up.
Come on, yeah. No,
we're not gonna have another leg bias here.
No, man, come on. I'm the best shooter in Staten Island by a mile. Ask Julio. Come on, man.
Sir,
listen.
Put that hypodermic needle away.
Whoa. Hey. Everybody calm down here. Everybody calm down. We're all right. Everything's good. This is just Bodega Boys episode 151. All right? We'll do what is it? The faxa? I'll do the faxa.
You do the faxa?
No big deal. No big deal.
I will give you the form.
No big deal.
Okay, your son
has
a...
fuck this! Fuck you! Hey, Smith, come here, you jerk! Yeah, you like that? How you like getting stabbed, you jerk? You like that? You fucking jerk off! Oh shit, I shot him. Let's get out of here. Dude, fucking drop. This motherfucker just dropped.
Episode 151.
Yeah, overproof, stupid.
It's overproof, for real.
I'm saying? For real.
Because this shit is dark as fuck. Six ad world,
yeah. Lord Locklear to go to those lengths.
Yo, it's your boy, Jesus Nice.
I'm saying the Mero in the building.
You know what it is. You know what it is. Bodega Boys coming to you live from the Jam Room at Melt Studios. You know what it is. What else? Yesterday, another successful episode of our show on what?
It's showtime.
That's right. Our show with the same name, Jesus and Mero. You know what it is. Thursday nights, 11 p.m. Or you can also watch it at midnight on Saturday night. You know what I'm saying? Or that's like Sunday morning, I guess.
Yeah,
but I'm saying, like, if you had been at the bar and you just getting back home, or you're still pre-gaming because you haven't gone out yet, because you have the luxury of living in the greatest city in the world.
To this day.
New York City.
Pow, hold that.
One of the few places you could get Smizzy at 2 a.m.
Woo! At a Starbucks, nigga.
And still go out. You could go to a bar at 4 a.m. and be like, one's closing, one's last call, and they're like,
never.
We keeping it going.
This is Hotel California.
You know what I mean? Hotel California.
Yo.
Which was about heroin.
It's about heroin. Yes. Shout out to the
How
Eagles.
so?
It's about heroin.
It's about heroin. You didn't know that?
Yeah.
You can check in. You can't check out.
You can check out, but you can never leave.
Welcome to the Hotel California.
That's not subliminally about heroin, but like there's other lyrics in there that are mad obviously about heroin.
Yeah.
It's like a steely point or some shit like that, some shit.
Well, that's what they said. They said it's about materialism and excess. Bullshit.
Yeah, shit is about fucking dog
that shit's
food.
about dog food. But get the fucking hot bag. It's about taking your belt, tying off your arm, and getting busy.
It's about Julio's finest, nigga.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, we're the listeners. We tell you what songs are about. All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to my sixth grade teacher. We were reading Lord of the Flies, and she was trying to tell me the symbolism between the flowers. I was like, get the fuck out of here.
I ain't here for this shit.
Get out of here, miss. You don't know that. You didn't write the book.
Fuck out of here. This shit don't slap, nigga. The Pearl was way better.
Yeah.
When we doing Animal Farm, nigga.
It was very sad because she was engaged for the beginning of the year, and then her engagement got called off, and then the rest of the year she didn't really teach.
Ooh.
She would just like sit on her desk and be like, yo, I'm gonna tell you kids about life. I was like, damn. She was like, sometimes you make plans and they don't happen, and you know, that's not on you. I was like, we have a SAT coming up. Like, can you teach me like what the fuck pi is?
Please? Yo, 3.14. I don't know anything else.
I keep seeing something about a quadratic equation. Man.
She's like, don't worry, they'll have a formula chart.
Shout out to pi. Yesterday was pi day.
That's right.
Growing up, you would think we would use pi more in life.
Yeah.
You would think you would use it like twice every day.
I never use pi.
It's just wasting space in your brain.
Yeah.
That could be like CPR or like,
Fam,
you know, you can have that. You can have anything else in that spot, but no, 3.14. 3.14.
Yeah, 3.14.
3.14.
Open your third eye, brother. Let me enter your third eye hole.
All right. Hold on. Let me lubricate it.
Every digit of pi that you remember after 4 is a memory you lose from your childhood.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Think about
fuck
that.
Math, nigga. Wow. Count money over here, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that shit.
That's what they should teach in school instead of pi. Teach kids how to count money.
Count money, nigga.
All right? That's how you be successful.
You just come in with a money machine like, yo, do I get an A?
A plus. Imagine you go to the PTA meeting and they're like, yo, your son is on some broke shit.
He's a broke.
He can't count these stacks. Look at this. 1, 2, 5. Look, he don't
look how feeble his wrist looks when he does the money phone.
He can't even hold it up right.
He's like, look at it. It's terrible.
You gotta get a tutor and shit. Fucking Diddy comes to your house. Come
He's
on,
like, yo, what's good? Yo, come on, nigga. Come on. Here, take the little gun that shoots the money out. Go ahead.
You know how they have the cup stacking thing? You just stack bundles of money.
They gotta make a balance shit on his head like the bowling video. Charm school shit. Like.
Shout out to Anna Kendra.
Yeah, Anna Kendrick. Yeah.
She's the cup girl, right?
Yeah. Cups.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's what the girl said to her in the bodega. Oh, she was hanging with us and casually, no big deal.
Casually on 137 in St. Anne's,
You know what I'm
nigga.
saying? She was out here.
Millbrook, nigga, what's up?
On some dangerous Bronx blocks by herself. You know what I'm saying? Just us.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Just us and Lefty.
That's our new thing. We bring celebrities to the Bronx, to bad places, and they get street cred.
You know what I mean? That's
She
it.
good now. She could go
She's
to any bodega.
Yo, she can really rock on any block.
She's just gonna walk in some pajamas and shit.
Like, yo, what's shaking?
Here's a pen. Probably use the N-word. Yo, what's up, my Aki?
Yo.
Like,
Whoa.
She's like, nah, it's good. It's good. I'm good with Desus and Mero. They're like, yeah, it's cool.
She come to the bodega, cut you in line, and you're like, yo, you cut me in line. She's like,
shut up, my nigga, shut up.
She's like, what you gonna do something about
What's
it?
up?
I didn't think so.
yeah, pussy.
Bitch ass
You're like,
nigga.
yo.
To spit on you, you're like, oh shit.
Yo, Ma, you wearing trolls.
I'm disgusted and turned on. Nothing sexier than a girl in like pajama pants buying a single blunt at like 7 a.m.
7 a.m.,
Because you know
yo.
she ain't gonna do shit all day.
man.
And she might need some company. I'm like, oh, you a loser?
Oh, word?
Oh, word?
Oh, is that Tweety Bird all over print on those pajama
Ooh.
pants? Oh, it's lit. Let's go.
Oh, man.
Yo, are they pilling? Oh, it's fucking super
And she got
lit.
like she pays for it with the wild crumble $5 bill. I come through like, yo. Oh, she's got a 5? I'm like, oh, it's loser o'clock?
Oh, she breaking big bills.
I'm like, yeah, baby, I'm a loser too. What's up? You want to watch Maury together?
Yo, shut the
That's not even his baby.
Oh.
Wow. It's true. We've all done it. Allegedly. When we were younger.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, I used to wait for the next little chirp. You know what I'm saying? 10 a.m.
I used to wait for the next other chirp. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Man, when you got free time in the daytime, you
That
be,
10 a.m. chirp was the original WYD. Like, yo, that morning WYD. Like, oh, where?
I remember I felt bad because this girl used up all her sick days just to hang, and smash.
Yeah.
And when she really got sick, like her job was like, ma. And I can't help. She was like, yo, I got no more sick days. I was like, I don't got a job, so that's not gonna be my problem.
Sorry, ma.
So
I feel terrible because I had one of my sister's friends come through and smash. Call out to her job. Come through to my crib and smash.
wait,
I didn't even brush my teeth.
Wow, savage.
I drank
savage.
orange juice before she got there, thinking like it's gonna.
The acid helps. The acid helps.
Wow, wow.
I just drank my orange juice. Like, yo, I'm good. I don't even gotta brush my teeth. She came through smash, and then I made sure to drive me to work, and she didn't have no shoes on, fam. I just remember her little toes splayed on the fucking accelerator, like, you know what I'm saying, like taking me to work. I was just like, man, I'm sorry.
I was gonna judge, but there have been mornings where I have to use like a warm Bex as mouthwash. So, you know, there's some, you know.
I was like, yo, I know I got dental equipment somewhere, but you know what I'm saying? Fuck it.
I remember we were like on tour or something, and I woke up in the hotel room and I had no fucking idea what city we were in. I was like, yo, I was just sat there like, am I in someone else's room? Like, just trying to like figure shit out.
Because you're looking at the key card, like,
I'm like, I was like, what the? Why would I be in Seattle?
Yo, yo, what am I doing here? It's like, I gotta save our Sonics t-shirt on. I'm like, yo, what happened? What happened, B?
Just Sean Kemp in the other room.
He's like, yo, you was doing it last night.
Yo,
whoa,
man,
yo,
you wildin'.
You were really wildin'. It's like, yo, Sean Kemp told you were wildin'. You were fucking wildin'.
Oh shit. Yo, not shout out, but rest in peace to the Ethiopian airplane flight. The plane fell out the sky because
shit ran out of gas. What happened?
Because the shit ran out of gas. What the fuck? You and Donald Trump know nothing about airplanes.
I'm like, yo, how this shit just fall? Oh no.
There's like some sort of software update that makes the plane direct itself towards the Earth. And like I guess the crew was like fighting with it, and they were saying they didn't get enough training, and then apparently a lot of airlines in the United States have that same plane. It's which
737 MAX 8.
Yes. The MAX 8.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's the Southwest plane.
The Southwest has like something like 250 of them.
South Def, nigga.
Yeah. Damn.
You going south real fast.
But to be fair, if you're on Southwest, you it's 50-50.
Yeah, you rolling the dice with your life.
You like, yo,
you gambling with your life.
Extra luggage.
Damn, extra luggage. Reach my destination alive.
Yeah.
Fuck, I'm gonna take this extra bag.
Southwest is the only airline where like it comes in handy if you also know how to fly a plane.
He's like, yo, your bags fly free.
Because like every now and then, like you'll be sleeping and then you just hear like,
wow. There's a light on this dashboard. Does anyone in this cabin? That's what you call it, right? Yeah. Anyone in the cabin know how to turn this light off? It's blinking red and it's getting louder.
Thank you. We're going to experience some turbulence while we crash and die. So please,
if you look to the right side of the airplane, you will see my beautiful ass jumping out the window with a parachute. Because y'all niggas is fucked. Thank you for flying to Southwest.
Peace out.
You see two niggas doing. You see ties flapping in the air like.
I'm like, why would they only give the pilots parachutes? What about the rest of us? I gotta run in the cockpit and shit. I'm like, I guess fuck it.
Just take two napkins and be like, fuck it.
I'm in the cockpit. They're like, save us. I'm like, shh.
Oh shh.
I'm trying to find a radio station.
Yo, chill, nigga. I'm trying to get the Wi-Fi.
What's the Hot 97 for this state?
oh! Somebody back in place like, yo, Power 98.6.
They play urban music?
Yeah.
Aight.
It's mostly R&B though.
Nah. I need something more uplifting and energizing. I'm gonna fly this bitch.
Like some Bobby Schmurda type shit.
Yeah.
Try Hot 78.7.
All right.
That's more hip hop.
Thank you.
Orientated.
Thank you.
All right.
Hip hop till we die.
All right, bet.
Which is like in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. All right, bet. Holla. I see you in hell, nigga.
But I mean, if Sully could, you know what? I was about to say if Sully could land a play in Hudson, but he is also like went to school for shit like that.
Yeah, he also plays for 20 years.
Nah, bro, nerves of steel. You know the highest point he got to? 3,000 feet.
Ice water.
I got higher than that smoking a blunt.
Ice water.
And he landed that shit.
Matter of fact,
perfect.
If
he
you are high,
the little waves and shit on both sides of the plane in the middle of the Hudson.
If you're high, you can land a plane.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, you just gotta be calm. Like everyone else around you screaming and shit. You
pull up the audio. He's like, Tower, we're gonna be in the Hudson, and that's it.
Damn.
And then cold-blooded landed that shit. Didn't nobody die? They were fucking doing the. What were they doing? They were swag surfing on the wing in the Hudson. They were like, we alive. We alive.
I'd be in trouble because I wouldn't even know the number for like
Yo.
air traffic control. Like randomly call some old lady like,
This is flight
Most of them,
757.
most of them didn't even get their socks wet. Okay, Sully was nice. He was also an alcoholic.
Denzel did that. Denzel did that.
yeah, Denzel did that on
You know
cocaine.
what I'm saying? Coked up. Fuck
Cocaine,
outta here.
flip that shit.
And he did the train shit too.
I
This
hate
nigga
that
done
movie.
stopped every vehicle.
I hate that movie because Denzel goes to jail in the end. I was like, this nigga, come on,
Come on, son.
Really?
He had to change her heart at the end. I'm like, I would have been,
Should've whacked.
nigga, I'm standing in front of the judge about the lie. Plus, I'm high too. Fuck that.
Bro,
Nigga just snort up some coke. Like,
Like, do a fat rail on the stand and shit. Like, what up? Go fuck, nigga.
you a wild person if you go to jail high. I mean, if you go to court high.
Yo, seriously.
Like,
Fam, every time
Like,
I've
if you
been
kill-
I've been terrified. Like,
I mean, court is terrifying. Court, it depends on the charges.
Also,
if you
yeah.
got like weak charges, you like cool. If you got some shaky shit,
yo,
you be up early and shit. You get that phone call. That phone call that's like, this call is for Jesus Nice. You have to report to Bronx Criminal House of Justice at 9:30 a.m. Failure to appear will result in a warrant.
a bench warrant being issued
like,
for
fuck.
your arrest.
And then you know you're a scumbag if you already got that programmed in your contacts when they call. You're like, fuck.
It's like, oh shit,
This
nigga,
is
court.
Who the fuck is it's court?
Oh, it's court.
Courtney? No, not
Nah,
court.
like
nigga.
court, like court for real.
Nigga, I got caught out there
like-
with bundles.
Like the legislative branch, nigga, like that branch.
They should let you Skype in the court. Why you gotta go all the way to the courthouse? I mean, I'm not trying to make life easier for criminals, but
Just FaceTime the judge and shit. Like, yo, what's good, nigga?
What's up?
What up? What up?
I'm the only one on this conference call.
Yo, what's good?
What's up?
Yo, let's do a Google Hangout. Yo, let's get this nigga Victor in here.
Thank you for calling the Justice Hotline. If you are the first person on this call, announce yourself.
For the front rooms, press 1. For the back rooms, press 5.
back room is extra.
Yo, what did y'all
Bob Kraft knows.
Bob Kraft knows. That disappeared from the news very
Mad
fast.
Fest, of course. Come on.
Almost as fast as his time in and out that place. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Bro, you saw Brady flew him back and gave him the wild hug when he got off the plane.
Yeah. He's like, yo.
That wasn't sympathy. That was empathy. He's been in them shoes. Okay, Tom? And that's going to come out. And I won't be
Nasty.
surprised for one.
Wow. You saying Tom Brady's buying that nasty choach?
Woo.
Wow.
So, wow.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
I'm saying he was at least in the group chat afterwards where Bob Kraft was like, yo, I just left this place for the second
Wow,
time in like 23
Victor's
hours.
being extremely problematic today. Wow. Wow. I feel like we're 4 episodes away from Victor just spinning off and get his own podcast. And I'm kind of supportive, but low-key there's always going to be tension. Like, we're going to be forced to have him intro our shit. And we're like, I guess. I think it's be like, yeah, I mean, I fuck with his shit. It's not the same, but
It's
I mean,
not.
I like it.
This is the beginning of the end. I got to shut my mouth.
Wow, really?
No, it is.
Wow.
I stayed off for like 100 episodes. It is.
He's like, yo,
This
chill,
is how it
nigga.
always ends.
Wow.
When the manager gets to the video, it's over.
On the Ides of March.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
shit.
It is, yeah.
No, it's tomorrow.
What do you mean? No, it's the 15th.
Oh,
Today's
it
the
is,
15th?
yeah.
Today's the
Oh, yeah,
15th.
yesterday was Pi Day.
That's how you know.
It was by then.
That's how you know we getting money because you don't know the date.
Yeah.
I just realized like calendars and dates and time that's for poor people.
Fam,
Nah.
I don't subscribe to that shit.
Nigga, I'm about to throw away my Apple Watch and just wear a sundial. Fuck
Fam,
that.
I don't care.
Yo,
I'm
remember?
not having no respect for people's time.
Nigga, I'll treat that concept like Wesley Snipes treats taxes, bro.
Niggas is like, what time you get on set? I was like, yo, nigga, I'm on
Eventually.
Nigga, I'm on Greenwich Mean Time. All right, I'll see you at 2200 hours.
Yeah. Oh, 1600 present.
I'm going by sovereign citizen maritime law.
You know what I'm saying? We out here, nigga, on the super yacht. Out of your jurisdiction.
That's right. How much was the how much would you be willing to pay to get your kids? What? First of all, you want your kids to go to Sarah Lawrence, right?
Nah. I mean, I feel like they should go to Fordham.
Fordham? Ew, why? You want your kids to be racist and drunk on the Metro North?
Because my kids are always like, yo, I want to go back home. And back home they say, I want to go back to the Bronx. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'll send you to Fordham.
Nah, your kids said back home, send them to DR. Tell them life ain't sweet. That's what my father said to
Put 'em in
do.
a barrel.
My father said this to my sister to send her son to Jamaica for the summer. Because he said that he has life too good and he's never like rode on like a subway car and shit. I was like, why would you want your kid to struggle?
I
What's
mean,
wrong?
listen, that's a
I
very
mean,
West Indian mentality.
It builds character, but it also builds resentment.
Also,
You know,
I'm like, Mom, I'm on vacation. Why am I selling avocados at 5 a.m.?
it's like, well, you know what?
Barefoot.
Because you're lazy. You're supposed to be up at 4.
Why?
You're supposed to be up at 4 a.m.
Wow. Okay. All right.
Now
cool.
get this machete and this flashlight and walk down this black road.
I will
watch out for the dogs and Randy, the poisonous goat.
All right. I will take this handmade broom.
He's
and go
killed 5
sweep
people, but he doesn't bother us, so we let him live.
You got it. I'm gonna just take this handmade broom and go sweep the porch. That's it.
Sweeping the porch at midnight.
That little gutter in the back of the crib, when all the toilet water comes out, you just sweeping this shit down the way, like into the street.
Niggas is like, we're out of paper. We're out of toilet paper in the outhouse. Go replace it. They give you the wild 1-ply. You're like, ugh. You go in the outhouse, there's some wild lizard on it. Like, yeah. Excuse you. Excuse you.
Oh shit.
A little privacy, please.
Hello.
I was like, where's your accent from the insurance commercials?
He's like, blimey, that's a mighty big Ted. You've got that, mate.
Oh my god. When I was in Jamaica as a child, like, we had to use the outhouse, duh.
Yeah.
But the outhouse was made for adults.
Oh yeah.
And my thing is like, yo, my little ass is gonna fall in.
Yes.
And nobody was trying to help.
Shook.
No one was trying to help because I was a weak American child. Frail. Didn't have enough milk in my system.
Yeah, you gotta drink that raw milk, nigga. We just boil the shit.
So I mentioned this many times. This is not the first time I'm saying this. What me and my sisters figured was my mother brought Imodium pills for diarrhea. Now, if you do the math, all diarrhea is too much shit. So if you take Imodium when you don't have diarrhea,
you just don't shit.
You don't shit at all.
And then you get impacted feces in your rectum.
I think we seriously went like 4 days without shitting. I was like, yo, we die. Fuck it.
They got the wild bulb shit his fucking side. Like, yo, what
niggas
is that?
Niggas customs were like, they're definitely smuggling something. I was like, can we hurry this up? Because
yeah, the Browns gotta go Super Bowl.
I need that American toilet, baby. You take American toilets for granted until you like go somewhere where shit ain't sweet.
Fam.
Even when I went to go visit my cousin in England, they have 2 separate faucets, one for hot, one for cold. And you think, there'd be like a joiner in the no. So now you're over here, you're fucking Harry Potter, you're doing alchemy, trying to balance fucking ratios of hot and cold.
So you can take a fucking shower. Yo, man.
Also, every water heater in England is, I think it's like 2 cups of water. So if you take a shower, no one else can shower for like 3 days. You get in mad trouble.
Fam, that shit used to get me sick, bro. At the old crib, bro. And the hot water run out, you just like, yo.
How big is your water heater now?
Nigga, shit is so big, bro. It wouldn't even fit in here. I was gonna bring it in here just to flex. Yeah, but
just
she
bring it
like,
on your back.
She was like, "Nah, I'll be in. It don't fit in the car."
Yo, I have a water heater just for my apartment. In my apartment.
Goddamn.
Okay? Do you understand how long the showers I take are? They gotta come out looking white.
Fam, I just stand there and watch The Godfather on a portable DVD player and shit. Like, yo, hours.
Yo, I think I used a whole bottle of like soap wash. I mean, loofah in there. Got Dr. Bonner's in there. I might do a little essential oil, steam up.
You know what I'm saying?
A little raspberry paste on my feet.
Hit the water pick and shit. Like, you know?
Oh, man. Come out, might do a little clay mask.
You know what I'm saying?
A little Japanese moisture oil.
A little snail joint.
Maybe a couple of eye shields right here for the bags. You know what I mean? Look at this out here. I'm on pretty boy shit. I'm on pretty boy swag.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? God could look good for the people. That's a bad thing though. Like if I want to run to the bodega and shit, I gotta do like
the wild.
I gotta beat my face to the gods. Cause you never know when you gotta take a picture. You can't be out there looking like Dubsville.
You better than me.
Because you were out there and you're not looking right. That's what people want photos.
Facts.
Yeah.
Mega facts. Shorty caught me at the fucking bodega in chancletas and the Nike's cutoff sweatshorts with the wild hoodie with those grease stain from flying plátanos and shit.
Yeah.
She was like, "Oh my God, Jesus!" I was like, "I'm Mero, but thank you."
Shout out to Sherry, who's in the house, the moisture god. I hear you. Been upgraded.
Yeah.
No, because
like,
my new thing is
like,
anytime I go, because you know, like hood nigga, you run to the store ashy as fuck.
Yeah, you don't give a fuck.
But now I gotta listen.
You got elbows, hit the cuticles.
I'll be so lotioned up, I can't even really get out the door.
You can't open the door. You just like, yo,
sit for the side, like
you just stuck in there forever, like
Try to hit the button on the elevator, just hit them all, like
no,
slippery slidey.
Damn, no, this shit's going local now.
Lotion's important. They should build like a machine that just lotions your whole body. You just walk into it.
Walk in and shit just sprays you like a car wash.
Yeah. The lotionizer.
Yo,
just blocks all your pores. And
yo,
shit.
don't fucking steal that idea. Niggas like stealing ideas. Don't steal that shit. Fuck out of here. Lotionizer TM.
TM trademarked. Trademarked.
It's like no backseats.
No backseats.
Trademark.
So no black magic. Damn.
Yeah.
How come we remember that and not like math and shit for school?
Yo, fact. I remember if you could do electricity when you played tag,
You could.
but ask me the fucking
Shout out
Pythagorean
to
theorem.
yo, when you learned about electricity, that was a game changer.
I was like, oh, word?
We extendo.
Oh, it's like 8 of us. You stupid.
Then you always had that one contrary kid that was like, no, we're not playing no electricity.
No electricity. Regular.
Just regular bass.
Regular bass. That's it.
You like, we're not playing with Randy next time.
Fuck Randy.
Fuck Randy.
They got here calling 3 seconds in the key type shit. Like, yo, where you play ball at? You fucking
Oh
cornball?
shit. Did you ever play Kill the Carrier?
Is that like Manhunt? Is that essentially Manhunt?
Where you just throw the ball up in the air and then everyone tries to like,
Yeah, and then you gotta just body the nigga that gets it.
Yo, they banned that from our school because we tackled some kid and his 2 front teeth came out. We playing that shit so hard, body. Woo.
Manhunt is just that without the ball.
What's crazy is we're playing out and like Chris Hayes was playing it. Like we was in there, baby. I don't understand how more of us didn't die. Like we were playing tackle football. And it was so rough, some kid broke his arm.
On concrete.
And they banned it from our school. And we was like, fuck that, because it was like a tennis court around the corner that wasn't affiliated with the school. So we started playing tackle football on a tennis court.
Niggas just bumping into the net and shit.
Like I remember I couldn't, like I was like, like they was like, what's the matter? I was like, I think I broke a rib. But don't tell my mother. Niggas just walking around for like 3 months like, it hurts when I breathe.
I only got one good lung, but fuck it.
Just back the next day like, yeah, just fight through the pain.
Yeah, fuck it.
All right?
Yo, Kobe did I can do it.
Call a man of motion. He can't hold me.
Yo, tap your helmet, me. You gotta get out the game.
Nigga trying to study for a citywide. I got concussions and shit.
Like,
Hearing cats.
What was that? Yo, the fuck? I'm just trying to study for the global regions, my nigga. Like,
See?
what the fuck?
But shout out, that was the most supportive my father's ever been when we had the citywide test.
Oh, yeah.
Because one night, late at night, he saw a documentary that said if you eat cheeseburgers the night before you take a test, you get better grades.
Really?
So he'd always come in with like a crave sack from White Castle. I tell my mother, he'd be like, heat it up and make them eat it. And we'd
Heat it up and make them eat it. Oh my god! Out of context, that sounds terrifying.
like that's what I'd wake up to is my mother and my father arguing about White
Like,
Castle.
no.
She's like, no. She's like, I'm not making this for them.
White Castle for breakfast.
Why is it in the briefcase?
What's in the briefcase?
It's just mad groggy. I'm like, why are we? I was like, is this
Straight
cheese in the
business.
meat? What is this?
Why they holes in the burger?
Why they dice the onion like that? What's going on, man?
Yo, when you go to a White Castle, you just see all like 80 sliders just sitting on the grill. You like, so kind of rethink the whole situation. You're just like,
Okay, but do we not have White Castles not even a week ago?
Yeah.
And was that shit not banging?
That shit was hitting. That shit was hitting.
That's how White Castle gets you. They was like, yo, White Castle's the Southwest of fast food?
Oh, come through.
Yeah.
For the
They're
love.
like, no, you're eventually gonna be here.
Yeah, you coming through regardless.
Do they even advertise? You every now and then you'll see an ad, but White Castle just like, yo,
You gotta.
you're gonna be here eventually.
So
I'll wait.
I mean, you're gonna drink eventually, fam. I know. I know you.
Welcome back.
You know what I'm saying?
Welcome back.
Come home. Come home.
Welcome.
We here. We saved the booth for you.
Your usual booth.
Yes, the one with the dried ketchup from last week is right there. There you go. Please enjoy.
There's some people that say Arby's is lower than White Castle.
Than White Castle? Really?
I disagree. We've had fine dining experiences at Arby's.
Yeah, but this is what cracks it for me is that I never seen an Arby's in the hood.
Yeah.
Like in New York.
That's
I don't
true.
know about like out of the.
Well,
New York
the only
metro
experience we
area.
know is New York, and that's the only one that matters.
Facts.
Do you think we're over here and we're gonna ask about how the Arby's situation is in Sheboygan?
Shut up, my nigga. Shut
No.
up.
Okay.
Sheboygan.
Peoria.
They're like actually.
Huh?
It's actually really troubling.
Okay.
Okay.
You think I'm out here like yo, what's
You need to know.
how many White Castles are there in Tohatchee, New
You
Mexico?
need to know.
Like,
there's only 2, and we need at least 2 more.
damn.
Because there's a lot of bars up in the uptown and downtown. We need a fucking White Castle, bro. Wow. Yeah, you're right.
How many White Castles do you think there are in the world?
Overall total 2,500. I want to say.
Let's find out from old Fax McGee.
Yeah.
Wow, there's only 420 lighted, legalized.
Really?
Yeah.
412. Nigga, that's 20 on Fordham.
They're predominantly in the Midwest, Kentucky, and Tennessee.
What?
The exceptions are significant smatterings of outlets in the New York metropolitan region, 3 locations in Nevada, and 2 in Shanghai. Shanghai wants their White Castles.
Yo.
They probably, I mean,
just begging smashing math. Damn, I was about to say sake and just be wild.
Where do you think the first White Castle was located at?
France. Yeah, Le Chateau Blanc.
That's that Showtime money. This nigga got Rosetta Stone.
You know what I'm saying? Nigga? That Duolingo.
Duolingo. She was like, welcome back, Mero. It's been a while. Sacre français. No, the first White Castle was in Wichita, Kansas.
Oh, word?
And it was called White Castle because black people were not allowed to eat. Oh, wow. Holy shit. This is why I don't go on Wikipedia. You find out these terrible things. They had Black Castle, but they burned it down because the burgers were better. They stole our spices.
They're like, yo, they put spices on their burgers over there at Black Castle? What's the most bottom shelf shit you ever drank?
I remember I had
bum juice shit like Cisco, Mad Dog.
This is like when I had my first apartment, which had no windows. First of all, huge fire hazard. I have no idea what the fuck was going on. It was like an illegal basement apartment that was furnished. So basically, I lived on the set of Good Times. And
set of Good Times with bed bugs and shit.
And then, like, you know, like this big ass sewer rat. Like, I heard him like crawling around in the roof for 3 days, and I was telling the owner, but like, yo, there's a rat gonna come through the roof. But she was doing the wild foster scam, and she had like developmentally challenged kids running around her apartment for the check. So she didn't really like she was doing all types of scams. Anyway,
I know.
So one night he burst through the wall. And he's like, what's up, real nigga in the building? I was like, this is crazy. So I put down mad traps and I didn't sleep in the bedroom for like a week. And I was under mad stress. It's my first apartment. I had my first job. I didn't know what to do, but I didn't have that much cash. So I went to the liquor store and I was like, yo, what's the cheapest vodka you got? And my man was like, here. And it's something called White Knights. And I drank it, and it felt like turpentine. Like every time, no matter how much orange juice I put in it, that shit kind of melted through the plastic cup. And I just sat there, and I was like, I kind of made it. I was like, I have an apartment, I have a job. I was like, if I could just get this big ass rat out, I'll be good. I actually had to, in order to kill the rat, shout out to my father, he came through on this. He was like, oh, because you're using like those whack pussy ass mouse traps.
Oh, yeah, no, you need a...
And he was like, he gave me an address to the wild illegal store on Canal Street where they have sewer rat traps, which basically have a razor blade on the top of the thing. Let me tell you something.
Directions is in the foreign
Mickey
language.
wasn't so hard after that trap snap. You know what I'm saying? All right? There's a lot of flour bringing a slow singer for his ass. All right?
Niggas just like, yo, chop that nigga.
All right? Mouse 12 News had a special report.
Ratatouille, nigga.
All right? He was so good in the community. He didn't hurt anybody. Nah.
Fuck out of here.
They just gonna leave his body in the street? Yeah, nigga.
That's right.
So Warren decided to arrest y'all niggas. Rats are so disrespectful too,
don't
man.
give a fuck. They'll run up all over your shit. Like mice at least try to hide and be low, like sneak under shit.
A rat run through your shit, mad noisy.
Like, yo, what up?
Squeak, 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 squeak.
Yo, what's good? What's good?
Squeak,
Yo,
what's up? What's
yo,
up?
Yo, what up?
What up, Trey
Yo,
Gang?
what up?
Where the cheese at?
What's good? Yo,
where the cheese at?
Yo, what's popping?
Niggas a chew through.
Niggas in here? Yo, that's Lucky Charms? You got a, you went to BJ's, nigga? Got a brolic box of Lucky Charms?
Oh,
Copy.
Magically delicious.
Bet.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Hold on, wait. I gotta take the wild shit on the stove.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, hold that shit, nigga.
Well, wait. Spread them out. Spread them out so they know we was really here.
Yeah, hold that dysentery, nigga.
Yo, look. It's a glue trap. Yo, I'm gonna run around the edge of it.
Yeah, let me ash on that shit, nigga.
Yo, look, I'm touching the food. Stupid ass nigga.
Fucking dick. Yo, let's shit on the glue trap.
Now they're confused. Let's go down to 3C.
Yeah, fuck it. They got mad peanut butter down there.
Shit.
The shit coming in black and white. Fucking... Should just say peanut butter on it. I got the wild like outline of a peanut butter
from the FDA. Damn. Yo. While we laugh, my mother used to ride the 41 bus with us to go pick that shit up. So shout out to her.
Facts. Shout out to
get that big thing of cheese.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Recipes to G. You know what I'm saying? It was Murphy Houses, nigga. We out here.
Yeah.
The wild FDA cheese and fucking peanut butter. The can of beef that just say beef.
So basically, if you want to destroy us, just go back and time and just stop federal programs. That's how I got my teeth fixed from like union shit. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck it.
That's I guess technically I am a leech on society.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
There's going to be socialism.
Yeah,
Listen, get in early on socialism. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to stockpile mad blue jeans and
mad jeans and shit. Yeah.
Clearly, I don't know.
Toothpaste.
I don't know what socialism is. Everything I know about socialism, I learned from Meghan McCain. I just know it's going to be really bad.
Yeah.
So
100%. Like I got Meghan McCain and my dad. So like,
I'm my father's daughter.
Yeah. Hey, guess what? My dad's John McCain. Yeah. That's it.
like that's her resume. She's like type. It's just like a voice note. Like,
yeah, I'm doing this job because my dad was John McCain.
I mean, she listens to the program, but I mean, you didn't say anything bad. You just said facts.
Sorry.
However, facts don't matter.
That's true.
Facts don't matter
in this day and age.
In this day and age,
you know what I'm saying? You read on the newspaper page, man.
Yeah, ask Aunt Becky from Full House.
That's right.
Out here finessing.
Oh, shoot with
out here finagling the bagel to get her kid into school.
Yo,
man, people out there studying, doing after hour, in the library. Her kids are like, school? I guess. Now they're like, yo, I'm off this. I was about to say they deported her. No, they kicked her out the school. They was like, yo, you too hot. Come back in 5 years.
Yo, Mark Sanchez went to USC, but that's all I need to know.
I know nothing about USC, but
that's it. That's all I need to know.
The whole thing is so wild. Is Aunt Becky going to jail? Is Felicity Huffman going to jail?
Who knows?
Their names sound too white for them to go to jail. But I feel like they'll have a whimzical jail experience. It'll be like Orange is the New Black.
It'll be like Kate and Allie, but in jail. Remember Kate and Allie?
That is a washed reference. My God. Nigga said Kate and Allie. And it's not, I always thought it was Kate and Allie, Alley. It's not. It's Allie.
Yeah.
Kate and Allie is an American sitcom that aired on CBS from March 19th, 1984.
Yo.
That was 100 years ago.
Facts. Like, it was good, literally a baby.
It was good. Wah, bitch, I'm a baby.
As you know, I never had cable. Nigga, all my show references are like 20 years old.
It was progressive. It was two divorced women look to each other for support as life carries on.
Oh.
I mean, if it was real, they would have fell in love with each other.
Yeah.
Like, they would have been eating each other's choaches and shit. But, it was cool for the 80s.
If it was like Naughty America. Naughty America.
Naughty America.
Nobody does it better.
I was locked outside. I was locked out of my house. So I had to eat my best friend's choach until the locksmith came. And you're like,
okay, I guess, cool.
I'm just stroking my meat like, all right, this plotline makes no sense. But
fuck it. I mean, the setup is weird, but
it's in 1040p.
Why are you fucking your mom?
Stepmom.
Stepmom. Excuse me, stepmom.
Okay.
Stepmom.
Come on. It's not legal in like Nebraska or some shit. No, when I worked on porn sites, that was something you had to like think about. Certain shit is not legal in certain places. Like we did. Well, not
the geo-block mom porn.
Well, not mom porn, but certain aspects of porn depend
like
on
bestiality and shit like that.
Not even bestiality. Like in Thailand, you can't have any religious images in the photograph.
So like if you can't be smashing in front of like a statue of Buddha.
But then a lot of the hotel rooms have like religious images in them. So people were not aware of that. And they will go through your phone and go through your micro disc or whatever, your SD cards at the customs and shit. And a lot of people get caught on that. And you don't want to go to a Thailand jail.
Yeah, facts. Listen, I don't know shit about Thailand. All I know about Thailand is the fucking M. Bison's level in fucking Street Fighter.
Wow, you are.
How dare you disrespect Saget?
Saget. Yeah.
No, it's M. They're both from Thailand, bro. But everybody like son Saget, and low key, I feel like he was nicer.
Oh, Tiger. Yeah. My son Tiger.
Tiger.
Uppercut
in front of the big Buddha
with the wand long earlobes and shit.
That's kind of lazy. They did 2 boards in Street Fighter 2 in Thailand.
Thailand, because they only had like enough storage on the.
Well, I mean, those 3 boards, Vega, Sagat, and Bison, those were like the rarest boards. Most people did not get to those on the average game. Because if you were watching someone play and they got to those boards, you were like,
yo, that nigga climbs a fence and then jumps down.
He's about to fight Vega.
Yo,
you gotta tell other people.
Yo, nigga start running. It's like the Xbox commercial with the kid.
I had next, but I'll wait.
Fuck it. Like, yo, shit, yo.
But then Street Fighter 2, then is it Capcom? They got greedy. They was like, we're gonna release this with like 64 new characters. Different color versions of the original character.
Okay, Ken, Dan, and Ryu is not the same person.
Evil Ken.
Wow.
Good Ryu.
Super evil Ken. Then nigga's just black. I'm like, oh, word? Word? That's how you giving it up?
E Honda after lap band surgery. I'm like, what is this shit?
Dawson, but he can't stretch.
Dawson with arthritis. He's like, Duke,
Yoga.
My elbows.
Yoga.
The master's about to start. He's like, isn't it gonna rain? Great choice, sir.
He's checking his weather app. You know, niggas, in the beginning, niggas like this. He's just like,
hold on, I gotta put Icy Hot on. If we're gonna do this round is 60 seconds.
60? Oh my God! You turned the timer off. It's infinity.
He turned up the difficulty.
Oh my God! What are you doing?
I think we just invented a new character, Woody Allen.
Woody Allen Dawson.
You don't want to see Woody Allen's special move.
Damn.
Problematic, like problematic. His special move is making good films white people like. Okay, I don't know what y'all were thinking.
Yeah, come on. Like,
Y'all the ones with nasty
get your mind out of the gutter, B. Come on, stop playing.
Do he still be at Nick Games?
I don't even know if he's still alive.
Cooking
to be
with
honest.
impunity.
Word like that?
That's so weird.
His little floppy hat on.
Is his movies that good?
I heard Midnight in Paris kind of nice.
Most Woody Allen movies are about Woody Allen, low key, right?
Yo, let me tell you something. Most Woody Allen movies are about a nigga getting a shorty that's way out of their league.
Yeah.
Through his
Way out of their
angst.
league.
Through his angst.
Like, what are you doing? Like,
Might
look
have
at you.
low-key birthed Michael Cera.
Who is Woody Allen? Is there a comparable black director? Who is Woody Allen? Who's the black version of Woody Allen?
Might be Donald Glover.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oof. Wow.
And that's not a shot. I mean, he's really like,
Wow.
he talks about like the inner,
Wow.
you know what I mean?
Victor wants all the smoke.
Nah, that's not a shot. I mean, okay, name one other like black actor director who's on that could remake Annie Hall. It'd be Donald Glover, bro.
That's true. That's true. I don't see race, so I couldn't answer that question. I just go with people's energy and stuff.
That's right.
What does the M in M Bison stand for?
Let me take you on a journey.
Edify.
Let me tell you.
Edify.
Yo, open your, decalcify your pineal gland, B. Yo, remember Balrog?
Balrog, Mike Tyson,
Yeah.
M Tyson,
M.
yes.
Tyson and Bison.
Mike Tyson.
Yeah, so they
yes.
had to switch it when they made
Mike
the American
Bison.
version because Mike Tyson was like,
I'll fill your ass, nigga. Then I eat your children. I'll beat the brakes off you, nigga. Then I'll eat your fetus in front of you.
I was always like, why is the black guy in this shit so whack?
he
couldn't kick. The shit's called Street Fighter. Why is he using boxing regulation rules?
He got gloves on.
They got gloves on, you
niggas,
idiot.
Like, yo, niggas throw
Do
fireballs.
you see a ring? Nigga, I just beat up a Camry. Why are you following the rules?
Nigga just smashed the pile of bricks with Hadoukens. What's a Hadouken? You know what I'm saying?
What's up, shout out to everyone watching the fight?
Yeah. Like, the occasional one nigga gets up with 2 arms like, yo, yes.
Also, we're in security because Guile is fighting in front of like a fucking F-14.
F-14 Hornet.
Are we just having street fights on like fucking airport bases?
It's Trump's America, nigga. It's Trump's America.
Make America great again.
It's Trump's America. Niggas just fighting for the jets. It cost $40 billion.
Hey, listen, when you gotta go, you gotta go. Sometimes you gotta pull up and beat a nigga that breaks off from the army base.
You know Guy was wild racist too because he had the wild American flag tie.
You know, Guile.
He's like, Sonic Coon. A word? What?
You know for a fact Guile is MAGA. You know that for a fact.
100%.
He has a Blue Lives Matter thing.
All day.
He hates Colin Kaepernick.
Drives a Wrangler.
He gets extra angry when he has to fight Balrog or go to one of those shithole countries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta go to Thailand?
Yeah.
Oh, they got. Oh, they do that.
Yeah.
Oh.
They do that nasty stuff.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
Get $20 yum yum. All right.
And I'm proud to be an American.
Well, I get $20 yum yum.
He's like going to Singapore and like spitting chewing tobacco on the ground. Gonna get caned. Get lashes.
And you know what happens when you win the game with him, right?
What happens?
He goes back to his family.
Oh,
He's home from the service.
Oh, sad.
When they like suck him and
Sad.
shit. Oh, sad. Then he's just PTSD and shit. Shit to Walmart.
They has to sleep at night with a gun next to him. Honey, you're doing it again.
What?
You're doing it again.
What, bitch?
You keep racking your gun in your sleep.
Oh my God! It's because I fought that goddamn. You know. I was gonna say, but I'm gonna chill because
there's a writer in the room. Ooh, problematic like saving careers every day.
Gotta keep that cash flowing.
There you go. There you go. Don't fuck up a check.
No.
Don't fuck up
a check.
A check.
Don't drop the bag, nigga.
Don't drop that bag.
Don't drop that bag, nigga.
I'm living the bag life, bag life, bag life. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do you understand how big we would have been in the 80s? Not for a podcast, but just doing coked up music.
Oh my God.
I got on like Ray-Bans and a saxophone.
Damn. You just gotta rock with the saxophone and just come out like, yeah. Oh my God. Wow.
Oh, my babe.
Yeah.
We got Victor on the fucking samba and shit.
Niggas playing the guitar.
Tori on vocals.
Background niggas had it on smash.
Oh,
yeah.
What with the
Eating.
He just do like a 10-minute bongo solo. Nigga sweat like. Give it up for Victor.
They're like, yo, whoa.
Nigga heart exploded on cocaine for the third time.
It's like four.
We're like, nah, we got this.
It's all right. It's good.
Nigga pop
Chico
his
the
heart.
boys, give him CPR.
We pop his heart back in place like it's like arm out of the socket and shit.
Like, yo, you good.
He wakes up like, ah!
Boom, 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 boom. Like, chill.
I'm like, Victor, you all right? He's like, wait, hold on. Now I am.
Yeah, cocaine. Imagine.
We get dragged out the fever and shit. We gotta go to 24 hours White Castle on Fordham Road.
They still talk about bringing back the Freaknik, which, from what I hear, they probably shouldn't. But are they?
No, they're not bringing. You can't bring back Freaknik. There was so many sexual assaults on Freaknik. Yeah, like that's the problem. The younger generation, they see little things on Twitter and they're like, "Oh, this shit was lit." That shit was not lit.
Tattoo.
That shit was not lit.
Oh, yeah.
Freaknik.
Fam, I remember the
Also, there's a lot of nasty shit you could go to. You don't gotta go to Freaknik.
Yeah.
Like, nigga, we went to Club W. Like, that's just right there.
Let's go get a table shower.
You know what I'm saying? It's a table shower.
I don't even know what that is, my nigga, and I'm scared to Google it.
You know what? Now that we're on Showtime, we're kind of losing our roots. Because we have not mentioned one of the largest festivals that the world's been asking for.
Oh, that's
And we gotta bring it back.
Cuckold Fest.
Cuckold Fest is
That's
coming
right,
back.
Yeah. At the Mountain Dew Pavilion. Yeah.
With full completion. That's right.
Full completion 10. Yeah.
That's right. Sponsored by Blacks.
Sponsored by
We got the Big Dick Tent. Yeah.
Sponsored to you by the BBC, not the channel.
Yeah. Special chairs for husbands while they watch.
Pegapalooza.
She doesn't respect you anyway.
Oh no. The chair got the wombo plug. Nigga just sit in the chair and jerk off. No. This is so fucking. Hit it again. Yeah. Oh my God.
The AT&T Fun Center. Listen to her while she's getting
ran through the T-Mobile glory hole.
This is why I say you must listen to this podcast with headphones on. Don't be in your office just playing this willy-nilly. You will be fired.
Fam.
There's no if you play this out loud in your office, I am calling HR.
It's quiet.
This is not proper.
We're talking about fucking up the bag, nigga.
Not many other late night hosts have podcasts like this.
Yo, man, yo.
Can you hear me now? Huh? Can you hear me now, Stanley? Huh? Yeah. I'm getting pleasured.
I'm getting pleasured.
Meanwhile, the T-Mobile rep is like, look, 5 bars.
Look at that.
You can hear your wife.
Yeah, airtight.
And you can go on the internet at the same time. Got the wild pink shirt.
Oh no. Yo.
If you sign up now,
Yo.
you're free Netflix.
Niggas getting branded condoms at the front and shit. Like,
We're getting closer to Game of Thrones Day, right? When's that?
shit.
Is that Sunday?
I think so. Yeah.
Is it?
April.
April.
Oh shit. Never mind.
All right, I've done some more research about it. Proud to say, I've discovered it comes on HBO.
Good.
That's all I
Proud
know.
of you.
That's all I know. And
that's good.
old guy that looks like he should be a bluegrass singer wrote it.
Oh yeah, he looks like the dude from fucking Blues Traveler.
Yeah,
but like aged.
His name is like George H. Martin.
George Martin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all I need to know. Seems good. Seems like a good time for everybody.
He said some shit too recently. I was like,
he was beefing about the Giants trading Odell Beckham Jr.
I was like, what?
Yeah.
I was like, bro, I thought you were like the mad wild nerd and shit.
Yeah,
Like,
no. You never judge a book by its cover.
Yeah, let me tell you something.
All right, if there's one fucking thing you remember from grade school,
That's right.
it was don't judge a book by its cover. Even though I learned after working in a library, you can indeed judge a book by its cover. You can definitely judge a. They need to update it for millennials. So here's our update for millennials: never judge a Pinot flick by its thumbnail.
Ooh.
Also, you can hear that in the graduation speech I will be giving at College of Mount St. Vincent in May. When I come with that shit smacked as fuck. First graduation speech where I'm like, could you hold on a second?
Hold on a second.
Nigga just throw up on the side like,
I gotta throw real fast on the side.
Friday mornings, am I right?
Are you ready? Do you need anything?
Do you have activated charcoal? I think I had poison last night.
No, but you're on now. So
Can I give? Do you have?
some
You
water?
got Bex?
no.
Do you have rubbing alcohol?
Yes.
All right, just give me that.
Okay. Here.
That's actually not funny because Kitty Dukakis, remember Michael
She died
Dukakis ran for president?
in like
Kitty
88.
Dukakis had to check into rehab for drinking rubbing alcohol.
Drinking rubber? How the fuck you drink that?
I guess with a chaser, I don't know.
Damn.
Shit, but why
That
do I
shit
know
is
that?
hard. I mean-
Why do I know that?
I mean, it's news.
Okay, that's the space where my parents' love isn't, so it just got filled with trivia. Oh wow! I know they don't listen to the podcast because my mother thinks podcasts are against the Bible, and my father just feels it's a Babylon thing.
Smart. This podcast is definitely against the Bible.
She's like, Jesus never had a podcast. I was like, low key, the Bible was Jesus' podcast, and then she'll smack me in the back of my
she's
head.
like, pow,
She's
hold
like,
up.
you think you're cute?
Huh?
You think you're funny?
Stupid?
You want to say the F word on Showtime with your little Spanish friend?
Huh?
I'm like, of all, that's all you got for the show is I say the F word?
That's it?
I was like, none of
None of the
I was like, yo, fam, we were in the code remaking fucking Green Book.
Green Book?
But all you hear is the F word.
Halls of Congress? In there? Who's in there? No? Nothing?
Yeah, you say the F word a lot. I'm like, look,
But Mom, we were just with the Congresswoman.
what's wrong with y'all? Like, I don't even ask if they watch now. Now I feel better if they don't, but I need those ratings. So I'm like,
Yo, just put the TV on and just put your fucking channel on.
because no one can kick the chair out from under you like we are immigrant parents.
Oh, man.
They're like, I watched the show, but and you're like, yeah.
okay.
When you hear the
What?
but, it's
What?
just the gun cocking, like, yo, man, and then just like,
What?
I watched your show, but.
Oh,
Like, here we
shit.
go.
Oh,
Let's
God.
wait.
You so sweating like,
What's wrong with it? You look fat. And I'm like, what?
Wow, thanks. I mean, I guess I am now. I'm just gonna go fucking in my basement and eat fiber.
Get some Spanx now. Then you be mad insecure on the next show. You're like, sucking my gut. No.
Just in shirt and shit.
No.
Like, yo, can the entire wardrobe be Vetements?
I think we've been working hard enough. We can start getting fat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kanye did it.
And then got embarrassed. Remember, he was ashamed. But he got,
Then he was like, I got lipo. That's how I got
Yeah.
hooked on opioids. Damn.
that would never cross my mind to do lipo. I would like at least try to do some
Try to
push-ups and
go
shit.
gym
You know
and
what I
shit.
mean?
Like,
Lipo. That don't sound right.
I mean, you married to Kim and shit. Like, she's probably like, yo, I got I
Yeah.
got a Groupon.
Yeah, they probably got like a fucking group on.
They got a nigga on deck.
They probably got like a unlimited card.
They just swipe
the shit.
Add time.
Yeah. They're like, oh, I need another rhinoplasty.
Yeah, infinity.
Also, that's fucked up. It's called rhinoplasty.
Yeah.
Like, they already give you the complex.
Rhino.
Oh, you here to get your big schnoz snake down?
Oh, word?
Hey, sit
yeah,
right.
yo, fucking rhino horn saw down, you fucking jerk.
All right, here. Fill out this application over here, Toucan Sam. You're already coming there with the complex. Like, I just need a consultation. They're like, whoa.
God,
Watch where you point that thing.
Yo,
wow.
hey, open the windows. We need more oxygen. She's sucking it all out the fucking room.
Whoa.
With the fucking schnozola over there.
A mouse died last week. Maybe you can find it right there, huh?
She's got a nose like a terrier.
Drugs and alcohol are both the same. They make soup out of your brain.
Oh, shit.
I don't want to be pea soup. I don't want to be potato. I don't want to be chicken soup.
Oh.
I just want to be me.
Oh, okay.
Do you remember that PSA? It was like little kids singing.
Oh, I feel like if I heard the melody.
I can't find it on YouTube.
They scrubbed it from the internet?
So I'm thinking I might be
secondhand embarrassment.
Yeah. That's back when listen, at one point, a large part of the U.S. budget was to keep us off of crack. I don't
I don't know why. Why?
Was the shit that much of a threat?
Why?
What? No one was giving this shit out for free.
Nobody.
They were just lying to us, man.
Fam, let me tell you something.
To be like in second grade, I wasn't gonna smoke crack.
Nah, not at all.
Nigga,
Especially my parents terrified me. They were like, "Yo, if you smoke crack once, you're gonna be a crackhead forever."
Yeah, that was the other thing. I was like, that shit sounds like some superhero shit.
I was like, "Word?" Like, yo, you chasing the dragon forever. That first I will never be.
We gotta make a cartoon about a crackhead. And he's about to smoke crack, and it like gets hit with a radioactive beam, when it makes it super crack.
Super crack.
Super crack man.
Because
Crackheads already got like. Super crack man could beat Thanos.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Hell yeah, easily.
Regular crack man could beat Thanos. He's almost 16 for Lennox right now.
Thanos
Like, yo,
would be like, holy shit, where's all the rings? Where's all the fucking stones?
oh shit, this nigga.
Where's all the stones? The crackhead come up like, yeah, you trying to buy some stones? Yo, I heard you were in the market for Infinity Stones. I just happen to have some here I'll sell you the Time Stone for $5.
Yeah. You ever see the fucking UGK album pocket full of stones? I got
usually you gotta sacrifice your daughter to get one like this, but I got one for cheap.
I got one. Yeah.
Look at it. It takes a purring like nothing.
Yeah. Look at.
Don't you want it?
Yeah, you want it? Hey.
Listen, I don't like. I'm not usually one of those, fnooks like that. But I mean, I'll take a dick sucking.
Yeah.
So I just gotta get these stones off. Jonesing.
Yeah. Come on, puppy.
We're sitting in the theater like, wow, the writing in this Avengers movie is lazy as shit.
They're really running out of ideas.
Wow, Stanley still makes the cameo. Stanley's the crackhead.
He's like, who's Stan Lee? Who's that? I don't know who that is.
Mike Francesa.
Oh god,
Mike Francesa.
I'm waiting to see what happens because I didn't see the trailer. I just saw the picture, like the poster for Endgame, Infinity War, like the Avengers shit. And I was just like, okay, like they killed everybody in the last one. Mm-hmm. Now what?
Well, they killed half of everybody.
Right. So now they gotta kill the other half.
Well, you gotta remember, one of the stones is a time stone, and he was able to reverse it.
Right,
so
yeah,
they
right.
Reverse it.
Yeah.
Are you gonna go see Captain Marvel?
I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I like,
You like a masculine movie?
Yeah.
I want to
watch
see
a
it.
broad fly around for a couple hours.
So let me get this straight.
If I want to watch a broad fly around, I just I tell my wife something nasty. You know.
I mean, I listen. It's about I'm for the willful suspension of disbelief, but okay, she's saving the universe when she got time to change her pad.
Yeah,
This ain't my type of movie.
She's a broad, but she's the captain. Come on, give me a break here.
Come on.
All right, you can't be a broad and be a capo.
Okay.
Can't be a capo.
She can save the universe. She can't parallel park.
Nah, you can't
come on.
nah.
What is this shit? I'm not watching this. It's fucking garbage. So I expect this from fucking DC. If you excuse me, I'm gonna go log on to Reddit. But first, let me put on my fedora. I missed all that beef about crap because they're like, oh, it has like a female protagonist, all this stuff. I never read a Captain Marvel comic book growing up. It was not even available. But my comic book store had whack comics, man. Yeah. We had like Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh,
Archie and Jughead and shit.
It's like Winnie the Pooh and Mask fight crack. I'm like, what? What is this? This crossover is whack.
This shit is corny. Why does it have a worksheet on the back?
Yeah, but like, yo, Captain Q-Tip, and I'm like, this was paid for by Q-Tip. This shit. He's like, they fight tariffs against Big Cotton. I was like, this shit.
What?
These are promotional comics.
Why my comic came with a toothbrush?
It's the Colgate Kid fighting Plaque.
The fuck?
Like, this shit is whack.
Come on, B. The fuck?
Yo, MC Diva Cup versus the Heavy Flow.
Oh no!
I don't want
to. Heavy Flow comes through like Sandman and shit like.
But then I figured out what happened was they had good comics, but because my parents had me on the wild cheap allowance, which was not an allowance at all, it was me stealing money out their bag when they weren't looking. Basically, I was buying the shitty comics. I was buying the 3 for $1 comics.
That's what happens.
And there's a reason they were 3 for $1. Yeah. There was one comic called The Nam. And it was about the experience of Vietnam. It was dark as fuck. They were like doing heroin. There's one guy, he had PTSD because he shot up a village. And like one guy attempted to rape a villager and shit. And I'm just sitting there reading like,
oh,
this shit ain't fun at all.
Wow, okay, this G.I. Joe's mad dark.
Just put the shit down and put on some Steely Dan and stare off in the sunset. Like,
yo.
I remember we were 3 clicks away when Charlie jumped us.
Yo.
Like, holy shit. Like just sitting in my bunk bed, cleaning my gun.
What are you doing in my foxhole?
I could have saved him. him. My best friend jumped on a grenade. Like, okay.
Joshua! Like, what the fuck is wrong with
this? Going to the nearest American Legion, like, yeah, let me get 2 cups of milk.
This man soot on your face.
I'm like, this for all my brothers that didn't make it.
Like, yo, you're 8 years old. Why is there soot on your face?
Seen things.
Okay.
I seen things.
Wow. Okay. You want to put that down? I remember
They're talking to me, and all you hear is the MASH theme playing behind me. Like,
I remember being a little kid and picking up Mouse, the graphic novel.
oh wow.
And I was just like, oh, this is cool. And I was like, whoa, this is not cool. Whoa, put that shit down. I was like, okay.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I was like, what is this about? What is a hologram? What?
You know what was a nasty mag? Remember Heavy Metal, the illustrated magazine?
Oh, yeah.
It had, like, the robot. It had robots and titties.
Yeah.
And you was like, yeah.
It was like,
And I was like, this is porn. And you were like, oh, it's just really good drawings.
Oh, okay.
Damn.
if you're 13, that is like your Venn diagram of shit that you like would jerk off to. It's like titties, dinosaurs, and robots.
Even now, every now and then you could get like a good Maxim magazine.
Yeah.
They
Or
would take-
stuff.
Maxim would take some dubs and make them like.
Yo, like, I'm like, damn, nigga, you
Maxim had niggas beating their meat to Rachel Ray.
Yo,
Like, all right.
Max was the only niggas ever call up Martha Stewart. Like, yo, you want to come through and do a
Come
swimsuit
through,
joint?
put mad olive oil in her shit.
It's a good thing.
Have her bending over the oven and shit. And you're like, yo, this is quality journalism.
Yo, I fuck with it. Yo, the
People used
interview's
to get mad about the top 100 women listing on Maxim, not because the whole shit was misogynistic, but they was like, I don't agree with these results.
Alyssa Milano is definitely hotter than 30. You're like, yo, whoa,
like,
what? The fuck?
I was like, yo.
What? Who's doing this? There's someone's getting paid to do this?
Maxim magazine. Shout out to Maxim. I applied to be a social media. These are promotional comics. You guys didn't even respond
Wow.
to my job things, but
You know what I'm saying?
kind of worked out for me. So,
They're about to hit you with the WID text. Like,
yo,
oh.
too late. Is Maxim even still around?
I think so.
Probably.
Did they rebrand?
Because there's horny little boys everywhere.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, they're still around. Catering to the modern man with content. Right now, they're doing a story 10 Irish whiskeys that are perfect for St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, branded content.
Shout out to St. Patrick's Day. It's coming up.
Advertorial.
You know what I'm saying? No, it's not Advertorial.
No, that-
Yeah, that's Advertorial. Remember, Danny Boy is not an Irish song. It was written by an English person. Do not sing it this St. Patrick's Day. A little knowledge
It's
for
written
you.
by Tupac.
Danny Boy, even though you was a crack fiend, mama. You was a Danny Boy fiend, mama. shit in Ireland.
Yo, why did Danny Boy name himself Danny Boy?
The singer?
Yeah.
You could probably ask
Is
him
he
that.
half Irish?
I think he works the elevator here. So just,
Like, yeah, well, why do you do that?
remember out of nowhere, Death Row just came with like some album with like mad offbeat niggas and just random niggas. Just Suge Knight locked in the studio like make a song.
Make a
nigga.
fucking song.
Okay.
Yo, whoever's in here is dropping a verse. I don't give
Right?
a fuck. Lock
Right?
the door.
Lock. You drop a verse, you get to leave. Suge Knight had niggas under pressure. I mean, I respect it. Like Danny Boy. Whoa.
Yo, what is he up to? I guarantee. You know what happens every time I do that? Every time I'm like, yo, what is this musician up to? I find them on like Spotify, Apple Music, whatever. And I find that their latest release is like 2018, 2017. And I listen to it and I'll be like, damn, why you still doing this?
Good. Oh, Danny Boy. He came out as a gay man at the beginning of 2016. Then he started in this video. He's crying about not wanting his son to be gay.
What?
I was just trying to get a song, so I'm like he's like, I'm gay now. Like, fam, I was just trying to get.
I was just trying to find
get,
his-
I ain't mad at you.
that's
but,
all.
you know what
Like,
I'm
I was just trying to find his Tupac in a suit. That's
Live your truth. Sir, this is Arby's.
Relax.
That's cool. Shout out to him, man.
Yo.
I mean,
2016?
2016.
Okay.
Shout out to him still doing interviews in 2016.
To this
But I mean,
day.
we just looked at it. He said that Puffy put a $75,000 bounty on
Not on his head.
no, on
Tupac?
oh no, if you could at one point he's saying that at one Diddy was like, yo, if you get one of those death row chains, you get 75,000. Woof. I don't understand. You got chains. You know what I'm saying? I understand it, but like those rap chains and shit, because you see that guy, what's his name?
Yeah, that's a lot.
YBN.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
He got jumped.
This
and
is
got
this,
face
is, I
slash.
thought this was a lot. I thought this was like gaudy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And I'm just like, all right, I gotta chill. But then you see motherfuckers with like the wild, dookie, crazy, icy,
Nah.
and the shit hits the mic. It's like clink clank.
I was thinking about not getting a chain, but then I was like, nah, what I'm gonna get a big wild art emoji with like the real diamonds as the colors. And that shit clanking everywhere, heavy.
Clang, 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 clang.
Steve, get the money ready.
Yeah.
He's like, no.
You open the shit up as an actual palette.
No, when you
Like
open it
colors
up,
in
it's going to be the jam room.
It's just like a portal into the gym room.
It's gonna be a life-size recreation of the jam room. I'm gonna have Hasan made out of emeralds. It's gonna be like a Jade Victor, just gaudy. I'm gonna make a chain that has Pharrell like, you wildin', my nigga.
Wow. You really doing a lot.
That's too much.
I thought me and Nigo OD. You really OD.
He's like, do. You're doing too much.
Boom, boom. Yeah. Baby. Yeah. Wow, what the fuck? Damn. What was I'm trying to remember that fucking video game. Is it called Portal? The shit where you just shoot the wall and it makes a portal into some other shit?
The blue and the orange.
Yeah. It's just the little sign of a homie like this on it. Like, yeah.
Portal. What city? Not what city. What system was that for?
I think it was PC.
PC. Wow.
Yeah,
PC. Wow.
yeah.
PC.
Yeah.
Damn,
I was on the Wild Dell desktop and
Damn.
shit, like playing Portal
He was
and like
playing video
Quake and
games
shit.
on. See, it used to be cool to play video games on like computers and shit. If you do that now, you're probably a school shooter. So
Definitely,
I don't know, man.
definitely.
That's
I remember when you could just download game demos,
Yeah.
like shareware or whatever.
Apogee.
Yeah, Apogee.
Commander Keen.
Yo!
Yeah. Little Wolfenstein 3D action for you. Yeah.
Shit, yo!
Watch computer.
Yo!
Oh, pardon me. I'm just using a little shareware.
Yeah. Dude, gonna rate the shit on CNET.
Woo! 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 I just had a washed orgasm.
Like, oh my god.
Wow. Excuse me, I have to edit this batch file so I can wow.
Wow.
I'm gonna stay up all day. I have to edit these Sound Blaster settings that I'm
my
not
God.
using. I'm getting a conflict with my IRQ requests.
Oh my god. Is your sound card? Can your sound card even handle this?
I don't know. I
You don't have the Sound Blaster?
I gotta use P-Edit.
Oh my god.
Excuse me, I gotta drop down the DOS to use the C-prompt.
Things like C:// desktop.
Sorry, I gotta drop down to the D drive and run keen.exe.
Oh shit! Oh, let me open up Task Manager.
Whoa. Whoa.
You're sucking up my RAM, bro.
Oh, what am I doing this Friday? I don't know. Just leaving my computer on overnight while I defragment my hard drive.
Oh
Wow.
shit! Oh damn, nigga, defrag it. Oh shit!
The world was a better place when we defragged our hard drives. When we lied to ourselves.
What was the person that was that?
You know what? The
don't-
computer was just lying because it would do your whole hard drive in like 40 minutes, and then that last 98%.
Took forever.
You just leave it. It was just like, and it was just moving the file like.
You're like, yo, come on! I'm trying to download a grainy picture of a choach. I'm like,
Excuse me.
half an
I
hour.
got 2% left. I got the last 2% is the hardest. You just leave it out overnight. You come on in the morning like, what the fuck?
yo,
It's
what
still
happened?
going.
Shit froze.
It's like estimated time left 14 minutes.
Minute, 98%.
So finally, you reboot the computer and you're praying you didn't just destroy the hard drive. Because all you know is like you can't reboot the computer when the hard drive light is on.
Because you just touched the fucking keyboard and immediately it's just like.
Yeah. Oh my god! You're like, oh
What
no!
the fuck would I do?
Oh no! Bad.
Mad dialogue fucking boxes. They're like, oh
So
shit.
you reboot it. You hope it goes through the BIOS with no trouble.
Reboot.
Counts up all the RAM.
I remember my shit literally had a little digital readout, and it had the RAM on it. And
Yeah,
it was like
that's
72 megabytes. Of
Listen.
RAM. I was like, nigga, I'm
At one
doing
time,
it.
Bill Gates said no one needs more than 640K. That's a true quote.
Nobody needs that. That's still so much.
When they went up to like 100, like I remember the first hard drive my parents ever got in a computer was 20 megabytes. And my mother was like, "You are fucking wild. What are you doing? We will never fill that."
I got an MP3 player that was a gigabyte back in the day.
Ooh, you was like, "Yo."
It was creative. It was a creative MP3 player. And fuckers like, yo, a gigabyte? Damn, nigga. Yo, that's crap. How you even fit all that?
I
Yo.
once tried to talk my aunt out of buying a computer that had 2 gigs because I was like, "Yo, you're never gonna fill that.
Never, yo.
Like,
Yo,
that's
you
not-
could
that's full.
download Snake 800 times. but
That's
you never.
like four Library of Congresses. What are you
Come on,
doing?
What are you doing? You're doing too much.
Now look, I got like 100 gigabytes on my fucking MacBook. That shit reaches like 44 gigabytes full. I'm like, damn, I got to get external.
I got a terabyte full just of text messages on my fucking phone.
I got a terabyte just full of porn because I'm nasty. I just look at it. I was like, ew, this is all blurry now. I was like, why was I saving this shit? I can't do nothing with this.
Half of them are dead. and
Half
shit.
of them are dead. Yes, Mero.
All my friends are dead.
But also half of them are like in fucking file formats that no longer play.
Like, damn, this is a TIFF file?
Like what?
Damn, I gotta download the VLC. What is the?
Now I gotta download like the VLC player with the fucking safe traffic cone. You open it, it's like, oh, you a nasty nigga. Oh, you nasty.
Oh, word?
Okay, hold on. Let me download this
Hold up.
old ass file format from 10 years ago so you can look at some old ass Pinot.
Fucking nasty motherfucker.
Then it'd be like, sorry, nasty nigga. I gotta connect to the internet, see if they got this file protocol. Hold on a second. Excuse me. Does anyone still play AVI files?
Huh?
Because this nasty nigga over here wants to see fucking Jenna Pepper's big ass nipples. Or is it Gia Peppers? I don't know.
This is big ass nipples.
Your computer don't even know how to open this shit. QuickTime be like, QuickTime be like a record, those fucking engineer an R. Kelly song, like,
Yo,
just go. Shit don't even be color corrected and shit.
Yeah.
You try to put it full screen, he's like, whoa. So
Yo, chill.
That's not dipping your chip.
Yo, whoa, brother.
Every now and then you
now.
open it, it's just like the sound, and the VLC player is like, yo, I tried, my nigga.
Yo, listen, man.
I don't know, imagine this shit.
Like, just close
fuck
your
it.
eyes.
Shit don't exist. Like, legally, I can't play this shit no more.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, shout out to all you nasty niggas that burned porn to CD-ROMs.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't even have CD-ROMs to watch them anymore.
Ooh.
So now you got a big notebook full of CD-ROMs for porn.
I still do.
Yeah, I know
It's
you.
not peanut.
I know you because we the same guy. And yeah. When are you gonna throw them
Just
out?
white, just blank.
You just hoping.
Blanks.
That's where I hope we continue to get rich. I'm gonna create a foundation where if you bring in old porn, we restore it for
Convert
you.
it?
Yeah.
4K to shit.
They're gonna be like, you could, like Flint needs water. I was like, yeah, but I saw a great threesome scene in 1993, and
Come on now.
I would like to see it again.
I would like to see Vanessa Del Rio in HD. You know what I'm saying?
That'd be
Keep it
great.
funky.
Yeah, some Heather Hunter in HD.
Yeah, Jenny Jack.
Is that our life legacy? Because I was like, we could send kids in the Bronx to college and shit, but this sounds better.
I think so.
Just think about it. If we send a kid in the Bronx to college,
What are the odds?
They're probably gonna go on to be good and shit, and all they're gonna be like, "Oh, they'll shout out us in speeches." But we're not gonna like get enjoyment out that.
Nah,
But
but
if
you
we-
don't get a royalty check from a shout out from his speech.
If we create the Meat Stroganoff Academy for restoring old Pinot, classy as shit.
Man, classy.
Okay.
Got parents bribing trying to get in and shit. Like,
yeah.
yo, how do I get my kid into jerk off school?
you could get a master's in Pinot restoration.
In only 6 months. Get your certificate in Pinot restoration.
Pinot restoration, TV, VCR repair, gun repair, locksmithing,
Microwave repair.
stenography.
Private investigation. Like, I don't know where. Like, what?
At one point in my life, my parents was like, "You know what you should do? Become a court reporter." I was like, "What?
What? Why?
I was like, "So you want me to just be a writer with a smaller typewriter?"
With a tiny ass typewriter?
Okay.
Why do they still use them shits?
I don't know, but they don't. You know what I've noticed?
I'm waiting for the stenographer to have like a MacBook. You know what I'm saying?
Or
Like,
a tape recorder. My whole thing is like, as someone who at one point in my life, I was in court a lot. And how many times were you in court? It was like the court couldn't start because the stenographer wasn't there yet, and they come and have to set up their thing. They make great money though. They make really good money. But
I had no idea how much
But then you
money
got to
they
buy like the little typewriter thing and carry it everywhere.
Oh, God.
Then you be hearing like murders and shit. They're like, "Could you read that back?" There was like, I walked in the house and put a bullet in all 5 of them. The last bullet went into a newborn's head. You're like, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd like that stricken from the record. He's here for a parking ticket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So can we?
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Great.
You ever have a stenographer that has an attitude? And like she's typing and she's like rolling her eyes at the judge and you're like laughing, but you shouldn't be laughing because they're coming
You're in court?
on a gun charge.
Yeah.
Yeah, shit's crazy, baby.
That's wild.
Wild life.
Wild and wacky life.
Comes at you fast. It comes at you fast. Life is unfair.
Life is a highway. I wanna ride it till I die.
Who sung that? You sung that last week, right?
No, did I? I sung Jeremy last week.
Jeremy.
Or Even Flow.
Even Flow. Yes, that's
Pro Jam.
who is
Life is a highway. I don't know. I thought it was like some big
they use that in car
seminal rock
commercials, right?
band and shit. Yeah. I thought it was like an important rock band, but it wasn't.
That's
It's like some
who's an important rock band to you?
I don't know, like when I say important, I just say like on some music journalist bullshit. Because important doesn't mean good. Important just means like, yo, niggas talked about this shit. You know what I mean? Tekashi was important.
Right. What's crazy is like crazy is ableist slur. What's wild is what you just said was rambling and an incoherent mess.
Yes.
However,
Makes perfect sense.
if I took it, that audio, and put it on like noisy.com,
million hits.
you're a genius.
Million hits.
They make
Millions.
it like the chief editor or some shit.
Oh, yeah. I'm running the whole. I'm fuck out of here. I'm running the whole spot. It's the Carter.
You know what it is, Daddy.
You know what I'm saying? I got Shorty backing up butt Nilsy.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, nah, it's like some whack ass like one hit wonder. It wasn't like the Eagles or like fucking the Rolling Stones or some shit like that. I thought it was like Aerosmith or some shit like that, but nah. It's like some cornballs and some wingdings.
I mean,
I think it's literally the wingdings.
The Wingdings.
No, I'm just kidding.
There's probably a group called the
The
Wingdings.
wingdings. What happens when you Google the wingdings? This is like a fucking thumbs down and a smiley face come up.
Boo boo boo. We're a font. Doo doo. No, it's actually don't call it Wingdings. No, there's a song called Wingding, but yeah, I'm not listening to that.
Yeah, no,
one day, because we're gonna use like some song from like some old ass group, and they're gonna sue for
They're
like
gonna sue
everything
the
else.
shit out of us. They're
So
gonna
we're
deja vu us.
We're not falling for that.
Yeah,
No.
Nah, it's a dope.
No. That's what we got the legal team here for.
Fuck yeah.
Because you know what I'm saying. We don't do a little too much. We've done a little too much in this episode 151, called Overproof.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
It's hard.
Like that rum
Hard.
that comes right to your head,
Shit to your chest.
burns you up.
I feel it in your lungs. You ever feel fucking alcohol in your lungs? Motherfucker.
What's the last alcohol you drank that burned? Because the Mercado doesn't still burn your chest, right?
Nah, it's smooth.
Okay.
I don't know. I feel like I'm washed. I'm like, yo, it's smooth.
It's
smooth
smooth.
finish.
I mean, that just means your
Alcohol?
lungs have just been burned so many times it doesn't matter anymore.
Nah, it
but
doesn't really
you
matter.
know,
The last shit I drank that burned, probably
that Ray and Nephew.
shitty vodka.
Oh, you didn't drink that Ray and
Oh.
Nephew with Sudeikis, right?
No, I did. Well, actually, no. Did I?
No.
No, I didn't. No.
You know what? I didn't realize we were wild. We gave him
Hennessy, Brugat, and
we gave him Ray and Nephew straight with
Yeah.
nothing to cut it. Like that's a war crime.
fam.
Like he could go to Amnesty.
he could definitely sue us.
he go to Amnesty International and sue us. Like that's like.
We get like extradited to Jamaica and shit. This nigga in a powdered wig, like, you go to jail.
I'm like, no,
No.
I can't live there. Shout out to Jamaica. Jamaica's wild. Jamaica's wild. You don't want to go to jail in Jamaica.
Nah, be free world boss.
I actually don't want to go to jail anywhere, I guess, except like Sweden because their jails are basically IKEAs.
Yeah. I'm
And
like,
you're on
is
the
it
honor
Sweden or
system?
Norway? I'm trying to remember.
I don't know. One of those countries they have like basically like
Niggas got vending machines that you could use yourself.
you self check in and check out with an iPad and shit. Niggas
Like,
got a key card to go in your cell. You
can
got
go-
a turned out service.
Oh, you want to go to Target? You go to Target. Yeah. We'll just
Shit got a
make
mini
it better while
bar.
you're gone.
Yeah. You get a fucking per diem.
You gotta put your card down when you they sentence you.
They're like, I'm sorry, the jail's so bad. It's like, you know, you have to wait 3 days for spa day.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yo.
Can't get a pedicure yet.
You see, we don't know if that place exists, but you know, it sounds good. Fuck it.
We saw a
Sounds
picture
good.
once on the internet, so it's real.
That's real to me.
It's real to us. That's
You know what I'm saying?
To this day.
Episode 151.
Hold
Yo,
that.
It's your boy D's Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Cheerio, aka Pocket Stay Fat.
Like-
Like, here we go. Chris That's for Sling Dick. Global Man might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Jesus Say Fuego. Mr. Nanos with around the 1994, Kill going off the Juve boss. MC the Cooking Pete. Putting up from 40 with your shorty. Again, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you.
I don't fucking know you.
Big announcement. I've been upgraded to Uber Diamond.
Diamond.
Is right.
We ain't going platinum. We going
Going
diamond.
diamond. What does that mean? That means I am a fool and I take way too many Ubers. There's nothing to brag about.
Uber everywhere. Skirt.
All right? It means I probably should invest in a car or something. The original, my plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. These is Rossi and the Jamaican Jew.
Wow.
I'm making ham and touches with curry goat inside.
Man, enjoy
Nasty.
them. Firm.
Shout out to Judy, who I met, who's a very lovely person, Mero, you animal. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the go to Mufasa, Young Charcuterie without the coonery.
Don't judge my book by its cover.
Don't judge a Pinot video by its thumbnail.
By its thumbnail. Yeah, it's the new shit.
AK Chili Mo left-handed reader for the Yankees. Kid. Okay.
I'm lindo.
3 phone Jones, 2 phone Jones. I don't even know how many phones I got. I be losing phones.
Ah.
I left a phone in an Uber.
I
It
don't
was no
care.
big deal. I walked away.
Fuck it.
Then I felt my pocket, and then I chased it for a block. I was like, yo, my phone's in there.
Yo.
My phone.
Chill. Sorry, papi. My phone now. Find the keeper.
Everyone's like, you didn't talk to me in the Uber pool, so I didn't say anything when you were getting out. How you feel? Jesus Next Machina, Jake Chuckles, Stanley Cups, Human Dr. Bond is able, dilute. And then you use a moisturizer afterwards because your skin will get very chaste and dry. And you'll itch yourself all the time on set, which
That's
is
right.
why I scratch myself on set all the time. I don't have bed bugs. Trust me. Okay? You have to be a nasty person to get bed bugs, and I don't do anything like that. Even though I'm a very frugal person, I got
Yes.
my mattress from the street. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry. It's so messy that when you watch it, the fans come on your MacBook because it's struggling. It's like, yo, what is this?
What is this?
What is this?
What's happening?
Even the Pinot site you're on is like, yo, he activated what file? Yo, ain't nobody been on this part of the site in 2 years to be processing. Like, yo, hard drive's like, hold up, we gotta get that from the basement.
Yo, hold up. Yo, chill.
Yo, show a blue pill ad and make him wait 9 seconds. Guys, are you tired and embarrassed? Don't want to go to your hospital or see a doctor about your ED? Blue pill brings ED right to your door. I'm like, I don't have ED, but I mean, as Stu said, sometimes you want to leave the right impression.
Okay, come on.
You know, it's open at night. You want a long line out the door. You know what I mean? I was like, wow, you nasty as shit.
Wow. Oh, you nasty, huh?
Oh, you nasty. I don't know, little nasty boy. Nasty boy. DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listening to Washed FM. Up next, we got some of the greatest super predators of the early 2000s.
Yeah.
We got a little illegal.
Woo!
This is literally what Hillary Clinton was talking about.
Yeah, zippity doop.
Look at them. They look ridiculous. Look up illegal.
Oh, they got stripped. Oh, they all got stripped back?
Yeah, they're all dead now, right?
Yikes.
Nah, they have like regular jobs.
It's like, I'm not dead, nigga. I work at Walmart.
He works at like Remax.
What the fuck?
He's like trying to sell me a duplex.
Yo, fam, like, you want to see my face on a park bench?
You were illegal, right?
I was, but now I'm...
Now I turn my light church twice.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? I'm a Jehovah's Witness now, so...
They can show you a picture of him getting baptized. In the blood of Christ. To this day. The Curry Goat, Jesus Spice with Jamal Hasper in the Bronx, Celine Dion. My heart will go on. And I will also have a residency in Vegas and make mad fucking bread. Ray Nephew's nephew to Moreno. You cannot contain me. Don't try to contain me. It's a hate crime.
Stop that.
The human meme. Where's the jaw? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. You know what I'm saying? I like to stir things up, play devil's advocate. When's White History Month? Whoa. Henrik Bloodquills, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin. The human word is melting in your mouth. Woo, yeah. Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, More says with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Magabi, where I got cucumber. The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the dark. Damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more couple news. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Over Cash Nova. We make cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change.
What you want? Tell them one time. Give it to them.
Big money wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one, top left. Dances Mark, Trio Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Stop Pound, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda at It's Me, Sunny D. Hey. David Urine. These expensive, these shows. Some Keem Noah, Andrew Coonan. I should get an intern to read the AKs, so I don't have to do them. And I like smoke a cigarette over here and shit.
Yeah, that'd be dope.
Yeah.
Next episode.
Somebody, next person who wants to come in and read the AKs next week, hit me up on hit us up on our phone number 1-800-223-9797. You know what I'm saying? That's for Ebro. AK the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, Mom.
Sit on it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. Topic of gossip and Sayasa. Shout out to 11791. Go to we got the special limited edition LIRR train cards coming, but you have to spend $300 or more on the monthly pass in order to get it. So just go on the website and order a $300 or more LIRR train pass, and maybe you'll get the Desus Mero one.
Maybe you will. Maybe you won't. Roll the dice. Life is short.
Life is short. Your man Dead Jesus morning, Sheriff. Don't get that pass. Mr. Shopping that street is bad music. I'm easy. Please believe me. The Black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic. You know who needs a MetroCard? Mac Francesa. He should get one, right?
Yeah.
He should get one, but not for like the trains.
Nah.
Just for like.
For a private car, like a black car service,
for Arby's. Mr. La Marina, in a mesh marina, a freshman's arena, called to me. I can't even say it straight because I'm so heartbroken that they're closing La Marina. I think one of the greatest moments of my life was the summer of 2016 when Controller came out. Ooh, man, everyone, Hasan shaking his head. Oh man, little Controller. You know, you just mind your business. You just wind up on a fine body ting.
Yo.
You know what I mean? The sun is right. You got a couple Modellas in you.
Yeah. Ooh, you just hit the first.
Okay, I don't know what this is. Not. This is
some nigga make control on free loops. Controller type beat.
This is that was a roofie controller. No, we're not listening to that. But yeah, just hear these soft notes come through.
Yeah.
get up behind
Oh
her.
shit!
Yeah.
She shorty stand up like, oh,
Yeah,
she dropped the
she
hookah hose like, yeah, it's fucking lit.
She
Yeah,
pokes-
it's fucking lit.
she
Look at my
pokes it
shit.
out.
Yo,
You come behind her.
Yo,
She-
come catch this dub, nigga.
She looks back at you. She realizes you're not ugly and she's with the shit.
Yo, she's like, oh good, you're not a fat ugly nigga. That's what's up.
Her friends are like, yeah, it's all right. It's a goal. It's a goal. Yeah,
it's lit. It's fucking lit. Yo, tell this nigga order another bottle. He's a fucking broke boy.
Oh, I also went to pizzas with that. Woo. Yo, shout
Back to back.
Did I dump Shorty there? Yo, Shorty, I'm sorry. I was mad drunk. I didn't realize. Remember, because she said she tried to talk to me or some shit?
See, nigga said, yo, trying to this nigga curved me.
I was gone. I didn't know Shorty. She probably was like, yo, you're Jesus. I was like, yeah, I gotta go. It happens, man. It
He's
happens.
like, that nigga said, yeah, and started looking, playing with his phone.
I be in my own. Sometimes I'll go to events by myself and I'll be on my phone just mouth smacked. And people be like, yo, you're Jesus. I'm like, yeah, what's up?
Yeah, how you doing?
Or the new thing, I'll be on the phone like,
Yeah, hold on.
1 second.
Yeah, hold on.
They don't get back to you?
Yeah.
Nah, I just be in my own world. I'm not rude like that.
I'm just watching Nick's game on my phone.
Damn, weren't we doing like some sort of AKAs? Yeah. The Cheap
yeah.
Ass Killer. No,
yeah.
AKA Problematic Bay. You know what I'm saying? Leave your kids in the car. It's not summer yet.
Yeah, just crack the window.
No, whoa, no. Yo,
You don't even need to do that.
I hotboxed it earlier. Don't let it out. Up next.
Oh, it's your boy.
We gotta do like we have to do an opening video of you and it's like a big planting goes out the sky and then you just come out butt nilsy.
With the wall semi, like,
You know, I got like the Dominican flag behind you. And you got like P.O. He flies across and it just says, "Yeah, let me your personnel."
yeah, niggas taking on my foreskin, like, yeah, it's lit.
We got Pedro Martinez in the back.
Holding me up. Shit, like, yeah. It's your fucking boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct Vibe, aka Donovan McDab. You know what I'm saying? Aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, hop the curb, hit your fucking Basenji and keep it moving, nigga. I don't care. Cole Peter. Oh my god, the Cole Peter, nigga. Aka I don't fucking baby, a fucking man. You know what I'm saying? Aka no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, motherfucker. I was a fucking dingle hopper in Little Mermaid, nigga. Are you stupid? Check the fucking credits. I'll fucking smack you. Aka she dad bath here, you know what I'm saying? In my basement, some good concentrated marijuana strains. You know what I'm saying? Get into this money and then smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? AKA I bought a building on Fordham campus to ensure my kids' acceptance because I'm the fucking dad of the year. That's right. I did it the old fashioned Yakubian devil way. You know what I'm saying? Not this new trickery that y'all doing out here. AKA Ben Smack be on boy. AKA,
Ben.
you know what I'm saying? Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? AKA Dick, you better tell me you don't come in this pussy no more. AKA David Trisdale, nigga. I'll take that for data.
Take that.
Stupid. AKA Bartles antenna so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. Yo, Rob Thomas was like complaining about some shit on Twitter the other day, and I was like, bro, I haven't heard of you since you did that song.
I didn't even know he was still alive.
Yeah, shout out to him.
Rob Thomas.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. He's there, still doing it.
He probably living off those Santana checks. Though.
Woo, heavy.
CeeLo said something. He did a song with Santana, and he said every month he gets a $200,000 royalty check. Nigga,
Girl,
you give me a $200 every month. You give me a $200,000 royalty check.
I'll be dead in 3 months.
I'll be dead in 2 months. Off the finest fucking cocaine they could find in the planet. I don't even do coke. I'd start. I would
just
buy
because.
Cocaine for Dummies, one of those yellow books at Barnes and Nobles.
How do I
I'd be
do
watching
cocaine?
YouTube videos.
How to do cocaine. Enter. AKA the Dominican Dada Dykeman Daddy. AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for fucking selfies. Matthew. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So take your fucking little bag, motherfucker, the Target shit, and put the fucking forks in it
Why is
and
this guy,
keep it moving.
This guy comes in every week and just harasses me.
Because you're a fucking jerk off. It's your boy. AKA Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mommy. I'm so nasty. I'll violate your titty's butt on stage at United Palace. I don't care, nigga. Look at my Chelsea boots. I'm ready for brunch.
When I come in here with a pair of Chelsea boots,
I'm gonna know.
when I pivot, and no more sneakers, just Chelsea boots.
Straight Chelsea boots. He's like, I'm off the sneakers.
Poor
nigga.
Jesus bloody shoes. I got nothing.
He's like, yo, he's Urban Outfit is Chelsea boots again.
He's wearing
He's like,
camel.
copy paste.
Y'all gonna be sitting here. You're gonna hear me walking from the elevator for like 10 minutes.
Is that a horse, nigga?
I'm gonna have the big Future hat on.
Is Mitt Romney's horse in the building?
Dressage Jesus in the building.
AKA Lightning Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you broke ass ain't got 5. You know what I'm saying? So get the fuck up out of here. AKA Tom Brady, I got my balls deflated. More, you know what I'm saying? More deflated than the fucking table shower. You feel me? We out here getting table showers. You know what I'm saying? The table shower boys in the
Table shower
building.
boys. Nasty. Table shower boys.
Yeah, AKA Phil as Tyson consensually. You know what I'm saying? AKA a little snoozy vert. First nigga to tap out on live. You heard it here first. Stupid. I did it before Dex, nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lionel Messi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Xano Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you
To what?
to smoke with me
What's the location?
at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? The flagship. You know what I'm saying? One of the last bastions of freedom we have left after they close our marina.
Mama Sushi's new location, Edson, New Jersey.
Chill. You gotta go to the flagship. Chill. You wildin'. Don't take me to fucking Edison for Mama Sushi, nigga. You fucking wild.
Real sushi with an at-home face. If the sushi's not me, it's free.
It's free. It's from the Passaic River. Okay.
Hey, this sushi tastes a little Gambino-ish.
Yeah. That's because I'd say it was a rat. Okay. Ben Boston.
Thump.
My hands are gifted. I will surgically remove your fingers so that you can never type SoundCloud link again in bio ever in your life, you coward. You piece of garbage. Never. AKA, I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet. You know who it is, nigga. It's the Sandman. Throw my keys to D. AKA, Rico Sabroso, mami. AKA, Lucius Linus, nigga. Listen, man, baby, man, come on now. This nigga just trying to get not written off the show. You know what's going on. We're still talking about this still. Come on now. Just let me step off into do my own thing. Come on now, please, man. Come on. AKA, baby.
Hold on, wait. Before we continue, I don't mean to cut you off.
Yeah.
They really hit Jussie Smollett with 16 felony charges?
Ooh,
64 years he's facing.
Are you serious?
Something like that, yeah.
Oh my God. Yo.
Like
wow.
he did sell the election to Russia, dog.
Fam.
Like,
Yo.
see?
Are you serious?
And you know what that shows you? Everyone loves Chicago PD.
Wow.
But think about it. The father on on Family Matters, he was Chicago PD.
Oh.
Yeah. Carl Winslow is behind the
he's
Jussie Smollett thing.
He's the ops.
Putting that out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jalil was like, word. You know
Did
what I'm
I
saying?
do that?
Yeah, you did. You did.
Open your fucking third eye.
Now
You know
go
what
home
I'm
and
saying?
kiss your ugly wife, Harriet.
Carl!
Carl! Damn, she's the OD on her. She's like a black Midler. She's kind of a little bit.
I don't know.
A little bit.
I don't know.
Listen,
Wash reference.
yeah.
Everyone's like, yeah, I know. Everyone's like, I used to watch Family Matters on Nick at Night. I was like, oh, yeah, that's where I watched it too. yeah, I watched it on Sprout.
Yeah, I was up probably watching Nick at Night.
If you excuse me, I gotta go practice the floss dance at 3 a.m. Gotta keep up with these kids.
Yeah, that's right. Baby Newport 25 niggas got caught up in John Wayne. Garbage. I guess AKA Nino Brussels caught it down. AKA live from East Tremont, continuing the Tremont tour, performing for free malt liquor. It's the East Tremont CVB, doing all his greatest hits. Like, I wanna be the one your DT is fucking, and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me lean, cause I fall up and fall into the D-Train tracks.
Someone stop the train.
Yo, stop it.
There's a freestyle artist on the track.
Yo, stop. Yo. Oh my God, is that TKA?
That happens so often. They have a code at the MTA.
We have a code TKA.
We have a code Old School Hot 97. Old School Hot 97. It's a freestyle artist on the tracks. Yeah. This train is being held in the station because of rhythmic Latino flavors.
Oh, wow. AKA, listen, mate, you've been listening to this shit for like quite a while now. It's going on 2 hours. And I'm here to tell you,
It's true.
that there's no rock stars left, mate. It's only the Bodega Boys. It's 2, which I am 1. The plantain swooping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed. Thank you, smoking weed. A dreamer with a bottle of plastic vodka in my pocket.
Classic.
My life is so sad. Fire in the booth. AKA, I make my references. I'm never gonna fail.
Never.
AKA, chilling
He's
out.
a gorilla.
You know what I'm saying? I'm a fucking gorilla. What is wrong with you people? Oh my God! AKA chilling at the crib of edibles, playing Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare Remastered. It's Barmelo's Anthony!
Ramirez!
Oh!
Man, that Narcan!
Yeah, I got it! Bang! AKA, if you see me at Target with my eyes redder than the fucking Putin's balls, nigga. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just wilding. I'm just ripping open throw pillows and shit, unzipping shit. You know what I'm saying? Eating chips and leaving bags open, nigga. Approach you like a fucking Earthside mammal dog because I may react radically. You will not like that. AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kids' party. I'll show up to your kids' party after it's over and vomit at myself. You're not getting your brother back. So have fun chasing the fucking 40. What?
Yeah, excuse me, you alright, Benzo? This clown has foam on his mouth. This clown, I think
You're not getting your sponsor back. Bye.
Okay, so fake Lindsay, favorite cyclone rapper. He's got Lysol wipes that I hand squeezed. That's it. I'm not even cutting the shit no more, niggas. I'm just using household cleaning products. I say it straight up.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Nobody cares.
Straight up.
AKA Hasan, tiene una pista, coño. Que llegó el de FIFA. Ya tú sabes que estamos lindos de lunes a domingo. No privan calentón ni gigante, mamá huevo, porque tú no eres de nada. Si tú eres guapo, jala, palomo. Que yo tengo lo mío y no me importa nada. Déjame decir bien claro. Shout out a la casa, Showtime. Shout out a Cash App, que son amigos de nosotros, son socios, somos socios. Shout out a Hasan y que pone la nota. Shout out a Víctor, que está aquí. Victoria está presente.
Sí.
Daiana está aquí.
Sí.
Tenemos el tigre de adelante y de este lado. Activado. Estamos lindos, papi. Ok, so, you know what it is. Episode 151, estamos encendidos. Y me quité.
You know what it is. Shout out Cash App.
You know what I'm
Shout
saying?
out The Jam Room at Milk Studios allowing us to make 151 episodes of this visual and audio
Oh my
art.
God. Wow.
Where do they find time to do this with
Oh
their
my
busy
God.
schedules? They're so benevolent. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. If you appreciate this, say thank you right now to the screen.
Go ahead. You're welcome.
We out.